We're raising a generation that won't just use AI, they'll build it. That's the power of starting young. When students learn AI early, they develop the ability to think logically, solve real-world problems, and create with technology, not just consume it. With AIEdge by igebra.ai, students in grades 4 to 10 get a head start in understanding how the world is changing and how they can lead that change. They'll explore the core concepts of AI and generative AI, work on hands-on projects, and discover how AI is transforming careers, creativity, and the entire world of STEM. Over 5 months, in 90-minute weekly live classes, students don't just learn, they build. Chatbots, smart tools, AI-powered stories and games, and interactive projects that make learning unforgettable. Grouped by age, elementary, middle, and high school, every student progresses through 3 levels at a pace that matches their curiosity and confidence. The result? Confident. Kids who speak the language of the future. Kids who think critically, ask better questions, and create bold solutions, with AI as their tool. At just $499 per level, AIEdge is more than a course. It's a head start on life. Enroll now and help your child gain the AI edge for school, for life, and for the future.